Assalamualaikum everyone, this is me Ramsha Sultan and today I'm going to be unboxing for you guys the October Bling Bag. Now Bling Bag is a jewelry subscription box in India which provides artificial jewelry every single month, and I would say that Bling Bag is one of the most elite subscription boxes in India. You will find one of the most finest pieces of jewelry in this bag. So today I would be unboxing this beautiful October Bling Bag, and guess what? One of you guys can win this October Bling Bag. So watch the video till the end. The Bling Bag comes in a beautiful baby pink box so that your jewelry is nicely protected. Each jewelry piece comes beautifully packed in individual mesh pouches. You also get few cards inside. There is a theme card which describes the theme of the month, and there is also a quote card inside. Then there are individual cards which describe each jewelry very elaborately. Overall, the packaging of Bling Bag makes it stand out in the crowd. Every month, Bling Bag has a separate bag which changes according to the theme, and I would like to mention that this bag or this pouch is of a really good quality and it looks so good. The first jewelry in the Festober October Bling Bag are these Kumi tassel earrings. They have silver strands teamed up with aqua stones and crystals. This has to be my favorite piece from this Bling Bag. It just looks so gorgeous. Next up we have Advik stud earrings. Now these are multitasker earrings. They are detachable, so they can be used as earrings as well as studs. Next we have a beautiful Tara pearl ring. This ring has sparkling crystals with mix of pearls and it looks gorgeous with the royal colors in it. And lastly we have Nakshatra pearl necklace. This necklace has a chain of pearls with a string beaded with crystals and a pearl dangling by its end. And guess what? Hijabis can also use it like a tiara and rock it in their own style. So those were the pieces of jewelry that I received in my October Bling Bag, and I absolutely loved each piece in this Bling Bag. And guess what guys? You can receive this Bling Bag. One of you guys can win it. All you have to do is first subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, follow Bling Bag on Instagram, and I would be posting a pic on my Instagram handle. You have to tag 3 of your friends in that post. And let me tell you guys that my giveaways are 100% genuine. That means each one of you guys has equal chances of winning. It's based on how much effort you put in the giveaway. So all the best to you guys. If you go to their website to purchase a Bling Bag, you will have to fill a style profile wherein you will be asked few questions about your style and jewelry preferences, and every single bag is customized according to the needs of the customer, which is so amazing. Now Bling Bag has many subscription options. First, there is a regular Bling Bag wherein you get 4 pieces of personalized premium jewelry up to rupees 3,200, but you get this bag at 1,499 rupees only. The bag that I have got is the regular Bling Bag. You can also build your own Bling Bag. You can choose the jewelry pieces of up to rupees 3,400 from over 50 jewelry pieces given to you in option. And this bag retails for 1,999 rupees. Then there's also a mini Bling Bag which retails for 899 rupees only, and you get 2 pieces of jewelry in a beautiful bag based on the style profile. And lastly, there is also a Bling Boutique by Bling Bag. It has a good collection of trendy earrings, bracelets, rings, necklace, etc. You can see what you like and you can individually buy jewelry pieces from here. You can purchase this Bling Bag from their website. I have some very exciting coupon codes for you guys. Check out the description box for some exciting offers. By the way, if you like the scarf that I'm wearing right now, you can actually purchase it from my own website, ramshasultan.com. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, especially Instagram, to win this giveaway. And I'll see you next time. This is me, Ramsha Sultan, signing off.